haunted camping place for like 1 or 2 days. So let's get started.
I have the pillows and bags.
Okay, so anyways, guys, we are now in the tent because it started to rain, and we're gonna wait in here till the rain clears off. Have anything to say, Connor?
Nah, it's just crazy so far because it's raining. Oh, it just got harder.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do for a while. Well, I'm not in the giraffe. Wait, is that a gorilla? Wait, okay, guys, so now it started actually pouring while we were filming the giraffe scene. So now we're trapped in this shed.
We got this kid that's
right
sued. We got Chucky with us. Yeah, look at
the
Chuckster. Look at the camera.
Chuckster, no, Chuckster, no. Okay, guys. Also, we are actually going trick or treating tonight, even though it's not Halloween. We're just allowed to, so. So now we're just gonna wait in here till the rain dies down. Okay, guys. So now we are actually picking up wood for the fire tonight, and yeah, we're on this trail right now. And Connor has a knife.
Yeah, you're Chucky, because you always call me Chucky.
So this is like survival guy. Survival guy. Da-da-da.
Hey Connor, you're Chucky. Because you have There's tinder wood right there. No, there's tinder dirt right there.
Survival guy, do you have anything advice?
No.
Well, that's it for this episode. Okay, hey guys, so tonight we are going to a haunted house. Before we go trick-or-treating, we brought masks, luckily, so we can go trick-or-treating now.
Yeah, we're gonna save this.
Shh. Be quiet. We gotta whisper. Our campsite's right there, but we're about to prank Connor and Claire. So while we were walking, this kid told us it was super scary. I love scary things. Connor and Claire, not so much. But they are convinced that it's not gonna be scary because there's little kids here. So we're gonna tell them that the kid actually told us not scary, and then when they go in, they're gonna get scared. I'm gonna GoPro it all. I hope there's light in there so I can film it. Okay guys, so we've been trick-or-treating and it started to pour. So we came into the bathroom, we found this bathroom place and we're hiding in here till the water dies down, but this is how bad it was. This is my mask for Halloween. That's how wet it is. It's bad. And this is Drew.
Oh my god.
It's bad out there. Look.
Hey Drew, come and get you out. Okay, go in there and eat something.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna wait in here till the water dies down, and then we're gonna go to the haunted house.
I
Yeah, I'll get you down. I got you.
can do it.
We're at the top.
I'm under the ape.
Are you his baby?
Yes. Hello.
Gosh, we're getting up.
Hello, Mother.
We're getting up here, folks. Yeah. Ah, I'm going out of control. My ship. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're about to go into the haunted house, and we're all very excited. Right now, we're just in the game room doing some stuff, and I'm about to GoPro it all. So let's get started.